High five.
Yeah.
To the side.
Okay.
Now eat some pie.
And ooh, pumpkin. That's spicy. And oh, hello, Mr. Orlando here with
Pie.
got that right. And today we are pretending to be construction workers. Yes. All right, team, bring it in there. Come on, bring it in.
Beep, beep,
Very nice beeping.
beep.
It was a hard-working day at the construction site, building the new Pen Museum. Oh, it's gonna be a beaut.
Yeah. But then, woohoo! The construction ballerina danced in.
Okay. Just then, the Pen Museum fell down. Oh, no, but there is no job that the construction workers cannot fix.
That's right. So the construction ballerina started to do his fixing ballet to help.
Sure. Okay, I'll just rebuild this.
And I'll dance that over here.
Yeah, Gary, you're kind of in the way of my construction here, Gary.
Who's Gary? I'm a ballerina. Catch me.
Yeah. Very impressive jump. Ugh. But can we just stop? Can we please just stop? Can you just stop?
Oh, sure thing, Mr. Orlando. What's wrong?
Well, I wanted to play construction site, Gary, not ballet.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Orlando. I just thought that we could do both. So you could play construction site, and I could play ballerina at the construction site.
But I cannot fix things if you're dancing around.
Oh, well, that makes sense. Well, maybe you could fix things the construction worker way over there, and I could fix things the ballet construction worker way over here. Does that help?
You know what? Yeah, it that does help. Yeah, well, thank you for making that change.
Oh, that's the best part of pretending, Mr. Orlando. You can make it work for everyone. So back to pretending.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, let me fix up this building with a couple more blocks. Right and here.
And now, the biggest unicorn lake finale move and... Ta-da!
Oh, the Pen Museum construction is complete. Oh, for me! Oh, applause and roses. Oh.
It's the ballet audience. Let's take our bows, Mr. Orlando. Best construction team in the biz.
Thank you.
Thank you.